Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be fun to open up this package I got from ColourPop. I actually don't own anything from this brand yet, so I am very excited to open this up and play around with this new makeup. But I wanted to do some swatches and show you guys what I got. So without further ado, let's get into it. All that for this. Oh, pretty much destroyed this thing, but that's okay. It's not like I'm gonna save it. This is like Christmas. I love ordering stuff online because you get it and it's just like a gift to yourself from yourself. So I'm gonna start with these two lip products because they just fell out of the bubble wrap. First of all, packaging is absolutely adorable. This one here is the Ultra Satin Lip with the pink packaging, and then on the bottom is the Ultra Matte Lip with the white packaging. So for the Ultra Satin Lip, I got the shade Echo Park. I'm gonna swatch this because I'm too curious to see what it looks like. Oh, that's a small little doe foot applicator. I feel like so many companies have huge ones now, so this is throwing it back for me. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. I barely put any product on there and it is so pigmented. The finish is satin. It's not completely matte. It has a tiny bit of a sheen, but it's kind of barely noticeable, so I'd say it's more on the matte side. Moving on. The Ultra Matte Lip is in the shade Creeper, and this is a beautiful bright red shade. So I'm gonna swatch this one as well and maybe see if I could tell the difference between the finishes. Oh my goodness, a little bit of product goes such a long way. Initially going on, it is very shiny, but it's supposed to dry down to a matte, so let's just wait and see. All right, so while I'm waiting for that to dry down, I'm going to open up the next item, which is the Super Shock Cheek. Pretty different name for a highlighter, and this is in the shade Flexitarian. I can't get over all these boxes. I love the colors, I love the patterns, so cute. Oh my gosh, that is so much creamier than I expected. So this is like a really bright, almost white champagne color, and that is a highlighter if I've ever seen one, but I'm sure it's gonna look beautiful blended out on the cheeks. I'm so excited. I want to put some on right now, even though I already have highlighter on, but I'm extra, so why not? Oh, that is wonderful. I like a blinding highlight, so this is the perfect product for that. Oh my goodness, do you see that? So the Creeper shade dried down to be completely matte, but it looks almost the exact same as Echo Park, so I'll have to see how it dries down on the lips, if it feels more drying or looks different, but on my hand, pretty much the same finish. Is this a stethoscope? Oh, they're earbuds. All right, I get it now. We are best buds. That's cute. Thanks, ColourPop. Then, probably the thing I'm most excited about, I got two eyeshadow palettes. I'll open up Yes Please first. I just really like the shades in here and I could tell I would wear these a lot. So I'm going to open this baby. So excited. So the front of the palette says Cute AF. ColourPop is just so supportive. I love them. And this is what it looks like. Wow. I now see why everybody raves about ColourPop eyeshadows. So I swatched GNO, Spoiled, and Butter Cake just now. The color payoff is really nice, and these shadows are very creamy. They're not chalky at all, so I'm sure they're going to be really blendable when I put them on my eyes. I did think the size of this palette was going to be a little bit bigger, but it's kind of nice that it's smaller because it'll be easier to travel with. And then, last but not least, I had to support a fellow YouTuber, Kathleen Lights. I absolutely love her videos and her personality. She is so talented with makeup as well, and she came out with this Dream Street eyeshadow palette. First of all, the packaging is rose gold and white, which is one of my favorite color combinations ever. And I have seen her do a few different tutorials using this. I'm really excited to kind of recreate those looks. So this palette is really versatile because it's got your neutrals, it has a couple bright colors, and it has a couple of darker colors. So really, I feel like you could create so many different looks with this. I freaking love the consistency of these eyeshadows. I don't really think I have felt anything like these yet. And again, color payoff is absolutely incredible. I am so happy I invested in these eyeshadow palettes because I feel like I'm going to be reaching for these for a while. Honestly, the consistency of the shimmery eyeshadows reminds me a lot of the consistency of the highlighter. So I feel like you could use the eyeshadow as a highlighter and the highlighter as an eyeshadow if you really wanted to. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing me open my new goodies from ColourPop, which I am so happy with already. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button, click the bell if you want to be notified every time I upload, and I will see you all in my next video.